In June 2024, deputies were sent to a location in the township of Garfield, Michigan, to perform a welfare check. An employee from the Northwest Michigan Community Action Agency, a nonprofit that supports people in need, reported that 33-year-old Jeffrey Topish Jr. was sending text messages expressing suicidal thoughts. Subsequently, a sergeant with the sheriff's office authorized a phone ping due to the suicidal statements made by Jeffrey, suggesting that he posed an immediate danger to himself. The ping quickly traced the phone number from the text messages to a location near some railroad tracks.
I have not seen anybody.
What about in the last 24 hours? Have you seen anyone by chance?
Not that I can honestly think
No
of.
one out here in the area.
No, this is my area, and I usually have a pretty good idea what's going on from, let's say, those signs on. I haven't seen anybody, but that doesn't mean that they don't get back in where the camp used to be.
Yeah.
You know where that's at, right?
Tent City.
Yeah.
We just got a call, and they pinned it around this area. So if you don't mind if we check around.
Heck no, do anything you want.
We're going to be on foot starting northbound to the railroad tracks. Catch his description.
I heard something about 5'6", 130 pounds, green eyes. I didn't catch the rest of it though.
Light brown hair.
Light brown hair.
Just so I understood that correctly, our individual does not have his own cell phone.
Honestly, he does not have it unless he's pretending he's somebody else.
Okay, we'll continue on foot. It sounds like he's texting RP.
He's texting.
Which is an outreach person.
They eventually discovered a campsite near the railroad tracks where they spotted Jeffrey inside a tent.
Hello? Sheriff's office? Is anybody in here? Hello? Hi.
How's it going?
What's your name, man?
I don't have a name.
We're just looking for somebody.
Are you Jeffrey?
Nope, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nope.
Are you suicidal?
No.
You're not talking to anybody via text message, an outreach person?
Nope.
Okay.
Alright.
Do you need any resources?
No, there's no resources here. This is the resource that I have here, so.
Is there anything that we can do to help you?
No, there's nothing you guys can do to help me because you guys don't want to help anyone.
Well, that's not true.
It is true.
I wouldn't ask or I wouldn't offer help if I didn't want to help
People
you.
offer help all the time, but they don't really mean it. So.
I've never talked to you before. I don't say things I don't mean.
People do all the time.
Okay. I'm sorry you feel that way, man.
It's all good.
So you don't want any help?
I mean, no. Why would I want any help from you guys?
I'm just offering. We're out here looking, I assume for you. It's alright if you don't want to tell me your name, but I'm going to guess it's you.
It's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's nothing that we can do to help you.
No, but you guys can go ahead and put a little 7-day thingy on here and I'll move along the way, don't worry.
I'm not going to put a 7-day thing here. I don't care that you're here, dude. It's not why I'm here. I'm here to check on you and make sure that you're okay.
I'm not okay, but it doesn't matter, so bye.
It matters to me.
It doesn't matter. You were given a phone call by someone who said that they were worried about someone.
That's correct.
That's why you're here.
That's correct.
You bullshit with me. I don't need to be fucking...
I'm not bullshitting you. I've said it from the beginning why I'm here. Because we got a phone call that you're suicidal.
I'm still alive, right?
You are.
Okay, bye.
So I'm just making sure that you are okay and that there's nothing that we can do to help you.
Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't have your phones. You didn't have your phones.
He needs to go. He needs to go with him.
Jeffrey.
What's the problem with me?
He needs to leave.
We're just here to help you, dude.
No, he's not. No, he needs to go.
I can put it.
Drop
Go.
it. Just drop
Right
it. Hey,
now.
hey!
He needs to fucking go.
What's
Let
the
me
problem?
see your hands. He's gone. Let me see your hands, Jeffrey.
Right here.
Okay. He's gone. Don't reach for
No,
stuff.
he needs to leave.
He is.
He needs to leave.
He is. Let me see your hands, please.
You're right fucking here.
Okay. Please don't reach for anything.
I'm about to grab my fucking knife
Don't
and
do
cut
that.
his fucking
He's
bullshit
leaving.
fucking.
Is
He
there
needs to
anything
go.
that we can do to help you?
He needs to leave. And
Okay.
that guy needs to leave.
He's my trainee.
I don't give a fuck.
We'll
Pussy.
leave. Have a great day.
Yeah, go fuck yourselves. I'm blowing up your goddamn police department.
Nearly an hour later, Jeffrey sent another text to the employee, this time making several disturbing threats. He claimed he had placed a bomb in the NMCAA building and was heading there with guns and knives, intending to harm everyone. The employee also reported that Jeffrey left multiple voicemails threatening to murder, stalk, and cannibalize their dead body. Jeffrey later began sending menacing texts to Central Dispatch, threatening to kill police, die in a by cop situation and claiming he planted bombs at the sheriff's office, courthouse, and a homeless shelter. In response, all locations were evacuated and put in lockdown until Jeffrey was apprehended.
So there were about 17 text messages, and it was like there's a bomb. I already planted a bomb in the building, and
So it sounds like he's escalating to the point where, I forget your employee's name, Evan. He sent me text messages, and I don't know if you were able to see them. He says, I put a bomb in your building. If I see you, I'm going to kill you, scum of the earth. I hope you're tortured. If you tell the cops I've got a gun and I'll come kill them. Sent a picture of a knife, said, are you scared yet? I'm on my way to the office. I've got a few guns and a knife, and I'm going to kill all of you. Your life is
send everybody
meaningless.
home?
I would.
Okay.
Yes. Right now, we're working on getting a canine here.
Okay, good.
Just because I don't think his threats are legitimate,
Yep.
but we're going to use every side of precaution.
Okay.
Just because not only is he saying that he's on his way here, but he's claiming to have put a bomb here. He then proceeded to text our 911 dispatch saying the exact same thing to our building. Okay.
Someone had posted suicidal threats on our Google review on our website.
Okay.
Well, then we had a name on it and it matches, so it was the same
Oh,
individual.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was. He had a Topus. The Dopest was his signature,
Oh.
but his last name is Topus, so obviously it was the
Perfect.
same.
Yeah. Okay. Is Jeffrey, like, do you know him at all? Have you ever met him in person?
no,
Okay.
he's in our homeless system, and he's working with Evan.
Okay.
But-
Have you guys ever had issues before?
He is a very new client. He's only been homeless and in our system for up to 2 weeks.
Okay.
So he's very new.
He's 5'6", 130. He's kind of got like a shaved head right now, but a long beard.
Long beard? Oh,
Yep,
sure.
and it's like
That's enough to
it's like a light brown long beard. I got a good rapport with him.
Okay.
He was like, nope, I'm not suicidal. You guys can fuck off. You don't help me. Da 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 da. He then saw my two male partners, got very angry, lunged in his tent, was like, I've got a knife, never brandished anything.
Deputies then went back to the area near his tent.
I'm gonna have V pull his car up a little bit closer, make sure nobody comes in, and you're gonna be next to me for ready for phone if. Okay. Was his beard kind of long, scraggly? Okay, that could be him, you guys. He's got a bike.
You want to jump in the Tahoe and double check that?
5'8" roll. Is there somebody available to back him?
Just as they were about to approach it, another deputy in a different location unexpectedly encountered him. Still, he refused to cooperate and took off on his bike.
Do it right now! Sir, stop! Get on the ground! I said to get on the ground! You're gonna get tased! Sir, get on the ground! Stay on the ground!
Immediate.
Take off from me on his bike.
29's clear. We're heading your way. Break. I got voicemail.
He's going by Value City Furniture on his bike. He's going to be on the Boardman Trail.
The deputy then lost sight of Jeffrey as he entered onto a bike trail.
Ah. Yes, I am. Yes, he's on a bike. He's on the wooden boardwalk part of the Boardman Trail.
Where would embark what part of the trail?
By Value City Furniture off the South Airport.
Would embark what?
By Value.
There, Valley City Furniture.
He went down there. I don't know where he's going to be at. He's on the trail. I can't get to him.
Where is he at?
So he went the wooden boardwalk over there. He went down the ramp, and then so I'm assuming he's going to be further into the trail there. Central from 958. He's going to be on the Boardman Trail. I don't think I can reach him on a vehicle here.
58. What's the last known location you have of him?
I don't currently have a visual. He went
Down the wooden boardwalk of the Boardman Trail.
off of Value City Furniture, South Airport.
Okay, Central 29. We're gonna be at the Vince's Jeweler parking lot. Is he still on the trail?
That's where I last saw him.
Building's clear over here.
Yeah, he went down the wooden boardwalk portion. It'd all walking trails along the Boardman.
We're still here.
So I don't know if he'd pop back up onto Park. Yeah.
29 from 73.
Go.
Building's clear over here. 45 coming your way.
Okay, we don't have eyes on him yet, but we're still here. You stand here.
What is his last direction of travel?
East.
5-4, was he still on his bike when he went northbound?
Hey, firm, I spoke to a female that she saw a bicyclist matching that description going northbound.
Clear 6-1, come to my location, please.
Clear. Hey, that was Sheffer and Carver. 46.
Okay.
You guys see him?
I saw him, yeah.
What's he look like?
Balding, got brown beard about this long.
Okay.
I think he's wearing a blue shirt and had a backpack, red bike.
All right, I'm going to start walking it.
No, because he probably kept going.
That's not him. Oh, that guy? No, that's not him.
A captain with the sheriff's office who was by himself went onto the trail, coincidentally saw Jeffrey, and tried to stop him.
The library? Yeah. And then somebody's chasing him.
Fearing that he might escape again and disappear, the captain attempted to handcuff him.
Get on the ground. Stop. Stop. Jeff. Hey, no,
I'll kill you. Stop me.
Listen,
I want to die, please.
I know you do.
Please help me.
I know you do. Buddy, listen, man. I know you do.
I hate myself, and now I'm going back to prison.
You're not gonna go to prison, buddy.
Yeah, you guys are taking me to jail.
You want a pop or something?
No, I don't want nothing from you. You're a crap. I want you to grab your gun and kill me.
How about a beer?
No.
You want a beer?
You got a beer?
Huh?
You got a beer?
I do, in my truck.
Yeah.
Listen.
You have a beer?
After piquing his interest with a beer, Jeffrey suddenly lost control and tried to grab the captain's gun.
I will do it.
Okay, you're going to jail.
No.
Stop it. So go jump in that parking spot.
Stop it. I gotta make this felony worth it.
And then you just want to make sure if he crosses it, he'll be calling out.
Okay.
I'm going to peek right here, so I'll be close.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Just stop.
You know what I mean?
Just stop.
No, never.
Just
I hate
stop.
you. I want you to kill me.
Just stop.
No.
I did see the single man, the other trucks asked me
Okay.
about 5 minutes ago. Well, now probably 6
So, going that way? Okay.
I think it was a red bike,
It was a red bike, kind of scruffy looking.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Just stop.
Come on.
And you already told law enforcement that? Further up? Okay.
Come on, I assaulted you.
Just stop.
Me.
I know you did, but I don't want to hurt you.
I didn't see him have anything. I don't think he even had a backpack. I don't think he had anything.
Okay. That's all right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Come on. How many?
I don't want to hurt you.
How many? Come on. How many charges is it? That's 1, 2,
Stop.
3, 4.
Stop.
Right? Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Oh, come on. I want to go to prison for the rest of my life.
You're not going to, buddy.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Come
Brad's
on.
gonna come down here and talk to you.
No, he's not.
Just stop.
Because I'm going to kill you and Brad.
Just stop.
You understand what I'm saying?
What was his clothing description again? I got the gray beard. Gray hair, white male, 5'6", 140.
Do you understand what I'm saying, motherfucker? Do you understand what the f I'm saying?
I do.
I am going to kill you.
915, he's got light brown hair. Light brown hair, not gray. Light brown.
I understand you want to do that, buddy. But just
We got
stop.
perimeter set up on Whitmere.
F you. Just tell him to shut up. Let go of me, motherfucker. I said let go of me or I'm going to f
Description again?
I said let go of me.
I can't, man.
Come on out. Come on out. Hurt me, bitch. Stop. I said hurt me, motherfucker. Come on. I'm way stronger than you, motherfucker.
Stop. Stop.
Come on. Grab your gun, bitch.
Stop.
Grab it or I will.
915.
Grab your
I'm not going to do that.
Grab your gun. I got a gun in my bag. I'm going to kill you with it.
No, you're
Watch
not.
this. Watch this.
No, you're not.
I said let go of me. Let go of me. Leave me alone.
All units, we're behind the Lear building.
Let's go.
I need you down here now.
Behind Lear building.
Get your gun.
I can't, man.
Behind Lear building now.
Get your gun out, motherfucker.
I'm down off the ditch.
Behind Lear, don't have this.
Yep.
We're coming up to the top.
These are pretty flowers, you know.
They are pretty flowers.
Yes, come on. Come on, you fat f***.
Dude,
Get up here.
I am a fat.
Come on, let's go. Get up here, buddy.
What are you so mad? What are you so mad about?
Come on, I'll help.
What are you so mad about?
What am I mad about?
Yeah.
I'm tired.
I'm mad because I am tired of being on the bottom of everything, bro.
Okay.
I am tired of being nobody.
Where is he going? Where's the f***ing Lear building? What's the Lear building?
I think it's right here. Here you go.
No, please, come up here, bud.
All right, I'm going. I'll follow you.
Come on.
I'll follow you.
Help you.
All right, okay. Let's go. Let's just walk up.
What you got here?
To yourself.
Down that way?
Oh, this way, this way.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back for me, all right?
I'm gonna sit right here, brother.
What's that? Let's sit down. Let's sit down.
Tell those shoes, all right? Y'all ready to kill somebody today?
Put them in cuffs, sweet.
Y'all ready to kill me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Got detained.
Taken into custody.
Woo! Y'all detained somebody right on fun. Congrats. Y'all did this back there?
Check the call.
Oh yeah, double check them. Wouldn't want. I mean, I'm gonna kill you. What's your name, Woody?
Of course I didn't have my camera on.
You got a beer?
I do, in my truck.
Yeah.
Fucking kick me, punch me.
I got you, bud. You're dead. So are you. I know where you live.
Yes, sir.
I'll be back. I'm gonna kill you on you. Ain't got nothing on me, bitch. Stupid fuck. Fucking dick. So, I can't wait to go back to the yard, baby. Can't wait to go back to the yard. Can't wait to go to the yard, motherfuckers. Motherfucker, I ain't got nothing on me.
You think he's good?
What about all my stuff, huh?
Oh, sheriff himself. Look at that.
Y'all get, I know the sheriff. I'm high priority, motherfucker.
Good.
You got a backpack? That's just white right down there, whoever's on the trail.
While en route to the jail, Jeffrey attempted to move his handcuffs in front of him, screamed, and threw his body around in the back seat of the squad car. Meanwhile, a certified bomb detection canine was deployed to search the buildings placed on lockdown, all of which were cleared and deemed safe. As a result, Jeffrey was charged with felony counts of false report, threat of terrorism ×4, resisting, obstructing an officer, causing injury, and he was given a cash bond set at $100,000. Almost 3 months later, he was found guilty on just one count of false report, threat of terrorism. The remaining charges were tossed. Ultimately, Jeffrey received a sentence of 5 to 20 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections. Head over to codebluecam.com and check out our great selection of quality-made merch that won't disappoint.